G'day everyone, Scott from the Scale Model Supply here. Just doing a quick little update on what we've been up to with our new facility. As you can see, we've got quite a bit in at the moment. So what we're doing, there's our front door there. This area over here is going to be our painting area. So this is where we're going to be bottling our paint and stuff. I'm putting in some dividing walls here that I'm making up at the moment. So they're going to go across the front there, act as a windbreak if we have to roll the door up or something, so we're not going to get bombarded with the winds coming through. Workbench there is where we're going to be mixing some of our paints. Our materials will go along in here. The back here, that's going to be all our area for stock. And yesterday we had a couple of deliveries come in. We've got here 21,000 bottles. That's probably going to last us about a month. So I'm going to put another order in pretty quick. And over the back here, we had a resupply of all our display stands. So these are the stands that go to all the to our retail stores that we stock. As you can probably see, some of these had a bit of a hard time coming over to us. But yeah, so we've got six of the big boy stands, and we've got how many did we get? Oh, it was about 10, 12 there. Yeah, 10 there of the little ones. So they're starting to go today. So one of these will be heading up to Heretics Haven in Nambour. We've got another one heading to Hearns Hobbies in Melbourne CBD. Then we're talking to another couple of stores about taking some more. One set's going to go to Defence Models up in the northern coast of New South Wales. So yeah, that's where we're up to at the moment, just with our preparations. We're expecting our office to go in at any stage now. We're just waiting on the final little bits to be put together, and then they can actually deliver it to us, and then they can set it all up for us. It's all prefab, so it's all getting made off site. They're just going to drive up with a forklift and forklift it onto the area we want. So then we'll have a purpose-built office straight off the bat, and then we can start moving everything in. So yeah, that's where we're up to at the moment, and hopefully we're hoping to be in before Christmas. So yeah, fingers crossed. Thanks guys, thanks everyone for watching.